हे गाइस व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक टू द ब्लॉग। आज है संडे 3 अक्टूबर और अभी बस थोड़े टाइम में हम लोग जिम जा रहे हैं, फर्स्ट डे ऑफ जिम। तो कम अलोंग, लेट्स सी हाउ द डे गोज। और टुडेज व्लॉग इज गोइंग टू बी अ लिटिल informative in the sense we are going to talk about how we got into Oxford Brookes and the different courses that some of my friends that have applied to and why they applied to, and we'll be answering some of your questions that I have received over the last few days. तो चलो, keep watching this vlog till the end. Mr. Addison, are you ready?
No, but I will.
Yeah. Okay, good. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Good. I have a question to ask you guys, okay? I'm doing a segment for this video. It is basically why did you choose Oxford Brookes University for your course? Motorsports from Oxford Brookes.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell me your story because okay,
Whose story?
both of yours.
So, I grew up watching Formula One since I was very little, like 3 or 4 years old.
Okay.
And since then, I was very sure that I wanted to work in the motorsport industry.
Okay.
And after doing my bachelor's in mechanical engineering, my initial plan was to go to Oxford Brookes eventually for a PhD.
Okay.
But because of the pandemic, my plans changed and everything changed. And I ended up coming here to do my master's because it's one of the most recognized course in motorsport engineering in general.
Okay.
So that's why I came to Oxford Brookes.
And do you have like any job prospects after doing a degree from Oxford Brookes for your field? Like what are the job prospects rather?
So we have race engineering courseware, we have vehicle dynamics courseware, aerodynamics courseware. So all these are very relevant modules in terms of the motorsport industry, especially Formula One.
Okay.
They're looking for engineers in these areas with these specializations.
Okay.
So there are in the motorsport industry not just Formula One, say IndyCar or endurance racing, and even for Formula racing in the lower categories, there's a lot of jobs available.
Okay.
We just have to like properly prepare ourselves, and there are a plethora of jobs available in the industry.
Okay. And what was your course requirement for joining Oxford Brookes?
I think it's just an engineering background.
Okay.
And I think
Is there a sandwich mode for you here, and what are the fees?
fees for international students is 16,700 pounds for a
Okay.
year,
Okay.
and for us early acceptance had a 2,000 pound
Yeah.
discount. And what was the other question?
Sandwich here and
Sandwich. So there are two this thing. One is a part-time, which is 2 years, and the other is a full-time,
Okay.
which is a 1-year course.
Okay.
And there is only September intake for this course,
Okay.
and yeah, that's about it.
That's it. Okay. Addison, coming to you. So what was your background before joining your course at Oxford Brookes? What did you do your undergraduate in?
So I did my undergraduate in microbiology,
Okay.
and yeah, that's about it.
Okay. And then why did you choose to come Oxford Brookes for genetics? You're doing genetics, right?
Yeah, so genetics is a very, to be honest, it's very specific, a very specific subject in life science or in science in general,
Okay.
and very few universities offer that subject. Forget being good at it. Offer the subject.
Okay.
Like in India, there's hardly any university that offers medical genetics in particular.
Okay.
And genetics and medical genetics are different.
Okay.
Genetics is more of, in general, like microorganism based, and medical genetics is human based.
Okay.
And so one of the main reasons I thought, let's get out of the country, let's go to the UK, is because when it comes to a subject like this, you require expensive instrumentation,
Yeah.
which universities in India don't really, at least the university I've been to, really don't have
Okay.
that much.
Okay.
So Oxford Brookes had a course which not only incorporated genetics
Mhm.
but genomic science as well, which is something that I was interested in, something that the world is getting towards.
Okay.
And so that's the reason I chose Oxford Brookes University.
Perfect. And what are the job prospects after doing?
So the
Your-
obvious is a PhD.
Okay.
That's something that many people go towards.
Mhm.
Otherwise, you can go towards becoming a biomedical science.
Mm-hmm.
Biomedical scientist is something.
Mm-hmm.
The NHS recruits clinical scientists as well with
Okay.
a genetic background,
Okay.
and then you can get into academics.
Okay.
That's one of the things.
And what were your course requirements and the fees?
The requirements was a bachelor's degree in life science.
Okay.
But then they were taking special cases in case you are interested in the subject. They were
Mhm.
taking special cases on a one-to-one basis
Okay.
because there were students who took botany also
Uh-huh.
and got into the course.
Okay.
So
And the fees was
the same 16
16,700, 16,900 and the 2,000 pound
2,000
scholarship.
pounds, yeah.
Okay. Coming to my course, which is MSc in Marketing Communications Management, the reason why I chose that course is because they have a specific subject called Content Management, and I was over the last few years I was really thinking of what exactly it is what I want to do, and my course had subjects like brand management and this content marketing management, which is the main factor in why I chose to come to Oxford Brookes and do this marketing communications management program. Now you don't need to be, or you don't need to have a marketing background particularly to sort of join this course. You can be from any field, any walk of life, and you can still learn marketing. I remember in my undergraduate years also, when I was doing my BBA, I had friends who were from an engineering background and they did really well afterwards in marketing. And I guess my course fees was 15,900. Requirements, I had to do a small interview sort of a thing, which was like very basic. Why you want to join this course, why Oxford Brookes, why England, and yeah, I also got the 2,000 pound scholarship, early acceptance scholarship. So if you guys are planning to join Brookes, if that is one of your conditions, make sure you do it as soon as possible so that you can avail that 2,000 pound scholarship. Okay, thanks for that information, guys. Now we shall go to the gym and kill it. Cappy, a black and white cappy. दिन बन गया आज का सुबह सुबह. To register, you have to use this scan me code, and then they'll make you fill out some details, and you can either pay by your card or you can do a pay as you go. The pay as you go is if you want to pay for the month, it is 25 pounds. If you want to pay like daily for every per use sort of a thing, it is 8 pounds. So I went for the monthly thing. I think all of even Addison and Straman have also gone for the monthly thing. Back in Dubai, when we used to stay in Sharjah, actually, we used to have a squash court. My friends and I would play squash court very rarely. It's a very intense sport, a very nice sport. Yeah. Then there is this badminton, volleyball, basketball hoops everywhere. Climbing wall. I would love to do this, but because of my leg injury I cannot, because if you miss a step you have to land on that thing. I really don't want to take that risk for my leg.
changing room.
That's the changing rooms, lockers, some snacks here. Unhealthy choice of snacks at a healthy place. Good first day at the gym. Just got a very light workout and did some bicep, chest, 15-minute walk on the treadmill, some light skipping. I'm so glad I can do skipping now because my injury was not allowing me to do skipping earlier. Then what else did I do? Yeah, then my physiotherapy. Whatever exercises that I could remember of it, I did those. How was your first day, Addison?
Well, it doesn't feel that bad. Maybe
Yeah.
at night it might start feeling bad.
Actually, we didn't make you like do intense training. That's why
But
your
even
first
then,
day.
it will start to hurt a bit
Yeah,
in the day towards, especially because it's cold. If
yeah.
you let your body cool down and this, it might hurt a little less. And make sure that if things start to hurt, you try to stretch that area out.
Yeah.
That helps.
How was yours?
Intense.
What all did you do?
I did chest, back, bicep, tricep, shoulder,
Nice.
legs, abs,
Wow.
sides,
Huh.
and treadmill.
Nice, nice.
And some jumping jacks and little bit of floor cardio.
So tomorrow I have lecture from 9. Addison has lecture from 10.
10.
Sraman has from 10. So we'll come early tomorrow, 6:30ish, 7, whatever. Cute Shiba Inu. It's a Shiba Inu, right? Can we pet him?
Might bite you. I'm gonna bite you.
Dodge.
Somebody dogs.
Hold na. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. So cute, man. What's the name?
Bamboo.
Bamboo.
Hi,
Oh,
Bamboo.
wow. And how old?
3.
3.
Oh, wow.
Sweet.
So cute. First time I'm meeting a Shiba Inu.
Yeah, same.
You don't get them a lot in India. Good lad. He's a good lad. Very friendly. This area is fully. This is known as the Brook Sports area. There is a ground here. I guess football ground bhi hai. But I can see goalposts there, na, in the end. There are some goalposts there, and there is rugby ka post also over here. And I guess cricket also they must be playing here only. And behind it's all five-a-sides and hockey probably.
Hockey grounds.
I've seen a lot of hockey culture here. There is like, I keep seeing people who play hockey here.
In
In our-
India's national sport is hockey, and we don't see people playing hockey there.
Yeah, true. And whatever. And this is the track. Nice jogging track though. Post gym meal, some tomato. This is a potato with barbecue sauce. Sorted vegetables, इसमें beans है, spinach, mushroom and red bell pepper. और ये sandwich है, इसमें I've put barbecue sauce and the vegan burger.
Early the next morning.
क्या नज़ारे हैं. Oh, nice. What's up? Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is 4th October and हम लोग सुबह सुबह निकल रहे हैं जिम के लिए 6:30. क्या लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हो गई अपनी एकदम से ना. healthy AF. I woke up at like 5:30. बेड से निकलते निकलते 5:40 हो गए. And now we are on our way to the gym. It's kind of cold, but it's bearable cold. But I'm still feeling cold. heading back home after a good morning session.
Yeah.
After how long are you working out in the morning?
I think the last time I worked out in the morning was like 3 years back.
Wow. So back in Dubai, when I used to live in Dubai, my school, I think from 7th, 8th till about 10th or 11th, I used to wake up at 4:30, go to school at 5:30, by 5:30 rather, reach school by 6, and football खेलते थे हम लोग सुबह सुबह, morning games करते थे. Then again, there were times when I used to play football after school also. So it was an intense, like I was just really slim that time. I was telling Shraman some time back that I had a proper jawline and stuff. Then my football stopped, all my activities stopped, and I just put on a lot of weight. But it felt really nice to wake up in the morning today. It just reminded me of my school days. So now I have a lecture at 9 o'clock. I have very less time to get ready, eat and leave. So let's quickly go back home and having my protein shake, very important. Going down from here. Take your supplements, take your protein shakes. And now I guess I'm going to become a health influencer. ओके नहा के रेडी और क्विकली मैंने अभी ये फलाफल सैंडविच बनाया. आई मीट यू गाइस इन द क्लास. अभी जिस लेक्चर ख़त्म हुआ और मैं वापस फ्लैट पे आ गया, अपने घर पे आ गया, क्योंकि द 1 o'clock लेक्चर इज़ ऑनलाइन. तो अभी मैं थोड़ी देर चिल करूँगा घर पे ही और फिर ऑनलाइन लेक्चर अटेंड करेंगे. एंड देन विल मीट हर्षदा एंड शूट द रिमेनिंग पार्ट ऑफ यस्टरडेज Q&A सॉर्ट ऑफ अ थिंग. Hey guys, so finally after your request, few people have requested my friend Harshada to speak about MPH, that is Masters in Public Health.
Yes.
So I finally got hold of her from her busy schedule और हम लोग अभी यहाँ पे हैं. She's going to explain it.
Hey guys, hello. My name is Harshada. I hope you all are healthy and safe.
So what was your background before coming to Oxford Brookes? What was your experience?
Okay. So I'm from Maharashtra, India, first of all, and I have completed my bachelor's in BMS, which is Bachelor in Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. So my course is basically 5.5-year course with internship included, and I have done my bachelor's in March 2020, and right now I'm doing here my master degree, which is Master in Public Health.
So what was the decision factor that you wanted to do MPH?
As a doctor, there are a lot of limitation. अगर मैं प्रैक्टिस चालू करती तो मेरे लिए लिमिटेशन रहती कि मैं इतने ही पेशेंट को ट्रीट कर सकती हूँ, या मैक्स टू मैक्स 100 a day, 1000 a day. But in MPH, I can work on a global platform. Like if I contribute to make a policy, so that policy will applicable for all over the world. So मुझे ऐसा कुछ करना था जो जहाँ पे लिमिटेशन ना हो और मेरी थोड़े से कंट्रीब्यूशन से सब लोगों का काइंड ऑफ भला हो.
So the next question was the career after that course and the fees and all and jobs.
Like there is a lot of career option after MPH. Few are we can apply to WHO directly. We can work with the UNICEF. We can work as a epidemiologist. Anyone is interested in after doing a PhD, you can do that. And there is a lot of options, guys. So you can do anything you want. You can work anywhere. Like world is open for you. It's pick one thing and do.
और the next question क्या था? What was your application process like?
So MPH मैंने एक करियर सब्जेक्ट चूज़ कर लिया कि मुझे इसमें मास्टर करना है. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट प्रोसीजर. प्लीज़ डू दैट. एंड आफ्टर दैट मैंने रिसर्च करना स्टार्ट किया है कि विच इज़ द बेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी फॉर MPH लाइक ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. सो मुझे ऑस्ट्रेलिया, US एंड UK ये 3 ऑप्शंस आए. फिर मैंने उसमें से UK चूज़ किया. दैन उसमें बहुत यूनिवर्सिटी थी, लेकिन मुझे बेसिकली ऑक्सफोर्ड ब्रूक का मॉड्यूल बहुत पसंद आया क्योंकि उन्होंने उनके मॉड्यूल में सब चीज़ें थी जो मुझे चाहिए. द मॉड्यूल कंसिस्ट the epidemiology, the communicable diseases and the leadership and management. So leadership and management and the communicable disease is on the 3rd semester, and we have to choose one of them. So I'll choose the communicable diseases. Like fascinating thing for me is communicable disease.
Okay.
Because I'm a doctor, I'm in the clinical field. So कम्युनिकेबल डिसीज़ चूज़ करके मैं फिर से मेरी फील्ड में आगे बढ़ के कुछ रिसर्च करके लाइक ये कर सकती हूँ, रिसर्च कर सकती हूँ, पॉलिसी में बना सकती हूँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ द कम्युनिकेबल डिसीजेस एंड ऑल दैट. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई चूज द ऑक्सफोर्ड ब्रूक यूनिवर्सिटी.
और what are the fees for your course?
My entire course is 1 year and the fees is 14,900 pounds.
Okay.
For 1 year, accommodation separate.
And do you have the sandwich model on your this thing?
No, I don't have the sandwich module. But Brooks University मुझे after completion my course वो मुझे help कर सकती है.
अच्छा.
They can help me
Okay.
for the job.
And lastly, tell the people about the big dream you were talking about. It was really inspiring, and I thought she should share it.
My and big dream is मुझे पैसा कमाना है, but वो पैसा कमा के मुझे लोगों को बांटना है यार. तो crazy लगेगा, like the line is so crazy, but I want to open a lot of NGOs. मैं पैसा कमाऊंगी और NGOs में डाल दूंगी. So जिनके पास कुछ नहीं है, जो जिन्हें हेल्थ पता भी नहीं है कि हेल्थ क्या होती है, हाइजीन क्या होती है, उन लोगों तक मुझे हेल्थ लेके जाना है, उन लोगों तक अवेयरनेस लेके जाना है, उन लोगों को मुझे एजुकेट करना है.
Basically, she wants to serve the community, she wants to serve the public, and which is why she's here at Oxford Brookes studying Masters in Public Health. Or I guess we were having a chat about our Vedas. She's an Ayurvedic doctor. I am very interested in our Vedas and Hindu way of life. So we shall do another collaboration, and she'll give us more knowledge about her field of Ayurveda. And if you guys want to know more about it, let us know in the comments down below. Where are you staying, by the way?
I'm staying in the Slade Park
Okay.
right now. It is a private accommodation, but it is amazing.
Slade Park is run by Amber Student Accommodations. Amber Student is Southeast Asia's largest student accommodation provider. If you're a student in UK, US, Australia, there is a good chance that you will find an Amber accommodation right close to your university. I have put in a link in the description. You guys can check it out. You guys can, if you want to register, if you want to book any accommodation, if you're a student, check out the link in the description below. And I guess that's it for the video. Any
Thank
last
you,
words?
guys. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Please be safe, be healthy, and like, subscribe, and comments, kind of thing.
Nice.
Bye bye.
And
Take care.
look at the sky.